If you searched how to buy shares of Worksport Ltd, this short guide will walk you through the practical steps in plain language. To proceed, you need a broker, and I will use eToro as an example. After registering, you must verify the account, which typically requires an identity document, and add funds to buy shares. Use the platform search box and type the ticker WKSP to locate Worksport. Then select the matching NASDAQ listing from the results. On the stock page, review basic company information and the price chart to confirm you have the correct asset, ensuring the symbol reads WKSP and the exchange is NASDAQ. Tap Invest or Buy. Enter the amount you want to allocate, then carefully review the order details and confirm to place the trade. If the market is closed, your order may be scheduled or placed as a limit order, and if you lack sufficient funds, the platform will prompt you to add money before completing the purchase. Once executed, the position will appear in your portfolio. Check the description below for the link to eToro if you want to follow the same example.